Yeah, we're here at the Sonoma Raceway for Raceworz 2022. Thank you guys all for tuning in. See if I can get some of these drag races. So I'm gonna see if I can get down there now and catch at least a few races. 'Cause I know some of you guys like to see the drag races. Man, it's been real loud today. Hopefully you guys are picking up on some of this audio. It's pretty live though. If you guys haven't been out to this event, go ahead and check it out. It's gonna be in Sacramento next. Alright. Looks like there's some Hayabusas about to pull up. So we're gonna check them out. Man, look at this bike though. What kind of bike is this?
It's Hayabusa.
Hayabusa? Man, that trailing arm is long. Help you keep that front end on the ground, huh?
You have to, yeah. This thing is doing backflips.
So what's it putting out, horsepower? If you don't mind me asking. Ballpark.
It's not dynoed, but probably mid-5s.
How much?
4 to 5.
Oh wow. Damn, that'll pull a car down the track. So what are you running today?
I'm racing the no-time grudge stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
What times you putting down so far?
Well, I don't tell people my times, but
Oh, okay.
yeah, it's about fast.
Fast, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, hopefully we see you out there.
Low 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. I love it, man. All that carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Looks real good. Well, I'm gonna have to get this Volvo real quick. You don't see too many Volvos.
He won't open it. No.
Whose Volvo is this? I think he's sitting behind it actually. Oh, okay. Nice. What's that? This your Volvo?
Yeah.
Oh, yours?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Oh, it's a 240
Yeah,
DL.
it's a 240. But
What
it's
year
got
is this?
It's a 1988, but it's got a 740 16 valve. That's how much.
Okay. I saw the big turbo there too.
I had
What
it actually
size?
asked for it. It's a 0.51 intake and a 0.71.
Okay.
The bottom corner is an
decent size,
Airworz.
yeah.
It's
Okay.
also got an AEM computer system.
What kind of computer system?
AEM.
Okay, AEM standalone. Okay.
Yeah, it's got a
Nice.
25 Mustang World Class underneath it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. What else you done to it?
Everything's forged in the motor.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Fully built?
Fully built.
Nice.
Same even all the transmission stuff's hardened. It's got a 600 horsepower main shaft.
Oh, nice.
It's got a 400 horsepower drive shaft behind it. Yeah.
What year is it again?
It's 88.
88.
Yeah.
Volvo 240 DL.
Yeah.
Nice. How long have you had it?
I've had this one. So I guess I've had this one probably about 4 years now.
Okay.
And I've had my first car was a Volvo 240 wagon.
Okay.
And I got 500,000 miles, and after that I was sold. I was like, this is the motor.
Oh, yeah?
Cast iron block. I mean,
So is that the original block for this?
No, so this, I mean, the one I had was, this is a different one. I changed I didn't like the cups, the old school freeze plugs.
Okay.
They were the
blow
old
out?
school one. Yeah, I had one blow out, so I just didn't want to do it. I went with the cups instead.
So what motor is this again?
This, it's a B230. It's still the same block they used in
Oh, it's still the same
240s.
block?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's just a newer one. It's a 91. So
Okay.
it had those type of freeze plugs.
Do they have sleeves? Are they sleeve block?
No, they're cast iron all the
Okay.
way. So it's,
Yeah, so they can hold the boost
oh
too.
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I'm excited.
So how much boost you running?
Right now I'm running none. It's going to get to the tuners on the 4th.
Okay. What'd you get? Best of show. What else? Best of show overall?
Yeah, best of show, best build.
Best build, best engine bay. I can see why. Yeah. Man, this looks like a C10 long bed. Man, this thing is wet. This is wet. Now slapped in the back and everything. I apologize for the wind, but it's just windy in Sonoma. That's just normal. But look Look at this interior. Yeah, this thing is clean though. That's really clean. That is the best of the show, I think. This thing was rowdy too when it was pulling up.
That drone was crazy, right? How fast does that thing go?
So we're to the end of another video, and I want to thank you guys all for watching the video to the very end. And if you like what you saw today, go ahead and hit that like button and hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel for fresh content moving. And as a new series, I'm going to feature subscribers, rides, and builds. So if you have a car that you like featured on the channel or your friend, go ahead and comment below. Or hit me up by email at brettscarmedia@gmail.com. And until next time, stay good, family.